Let's see how to write an equal symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now there are two ways to write the unequal symbol in Microsoft Word. First off is by using the equation function. Now let's go ahead to the Insert tab, click on Equation, and that will open up an equation field where you can write your equation. Now up here, you have many options to choose from of the different mathematical symbols. And right here is the unequal symbol. And when you click on that, that will automatically be written into the equation field. Now, another way you can do is by simply typing in 2260 and by pressing Alt X at the same time on your keyboard. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. And as you can see, it looks the same. You now have an unequal symbol using both the equation function and by using the keyboard shortcut. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.